In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up your Steam community profile. Start by opening the Steam client or going to the Steam website in your browser. Look to the top right and click your username. From the menu that appears, choose View My Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, where you can see how others will view you across the community. On the right side of your profile page, click the Edit Profile button. This is your main control center for the look and basic details of your profile. We'll begin in the General section, where you can set what people see first. Profile name is the name shown to the community. Pick something you are comfortable with, and remember it's what friends and teammates will notice in chats and game lobbies. The real name field is completely optional, but it can help friends find you if they know you outside of Steam. If you want a cleaner, more private profile, feel free to leave it blank. Custom URL gives you a personalized link to your profile. This makes it easier to share your profile with friends or add it to your social pages. Choose something short, recognizable, and appropriate. Once you've set it, it's much easier for others to reach you directly. Summary is your short bio. Use it to introduce yourself. List favorite genres or share a bit about what you are currently playing. Keep it friendly and concise. A few clear sentences work better than a long block of text. Next, set up your avatar and theme. For your avatar, you can upload a custom image or select a Steam-generated avatar and frame. Square images display best, and a clear, high-contrast picture will look good at small sizes. If you pick a frame, choose one that complements your avatar rather than overpowering it. Select a profile background and a theme color to tie everything together visually. Preview how it looks with your avatar and text so your profile remains easy to read. A background that's too busy can make your summary hard to scan. So aim for a balanced look. When you are happy with everything, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Give it a moment, then review your profile to confirm your changes look the way you expect. That's it. Thanks for watching.